Here's something I see all the time with accounting firms: crazy busy from February to April, then nothing for the rest of the year. That was Jessica's life. She's a CPA in North Carolina, super talented, great at her work, but her income looked like a roller coaster. 3 big months, then 9 slow months. Tax season stress, then scrambling to find work. Sound familiar? Jessica wasn't struggling because she wasn't good enough. She was struggling because her income wasn't steady. Her client flow was all over the place. Referrals came in randomly. Tax season brought work, but mostly cheap tax returns. And the rest of the year, just quick cleanup jobs, quick book fixes, and people looking for the cheapest bookkeeper. She told me something I hear all the time: Raghav, I don't need one time tax clients anymore. I need business owners who need me every single month. Clients who see my real value, not just someone to file their taxes. And to be very honest, she didn't need to work harder. She needed to bring in better clients more often. And that's when we set up the Bookflow system, a simple two-way system we built for CPAs, bookkeepers, and tax pros who want to stop depending on tax season. Here's what made this work. We didn't just focus on getting leads. We focused on bringing in the right business owners. Companies making 750K to 8 million a year who needed monthly bookkeeping, payroll help, tax planning every quarter, and part-time CFO advice. Within 12 days, Jessica's calendar started filling up with real business owners, not just tire kickers or random clickers. Real people who were tired of guessing their numbers every month. Now, let me show you exactly what we put in place: three simple pillars that changed everything. We shifted Jessica's entire brand from tax preparer to financial partner for business owners. So, instead of listing services like tax prep and bookkeeping, her message focused on what owners actually want: clear numbers they can trust, lower tax bills, monthly reports that make sense, financial control, help planning for growth. Pillar 2. We built a system that brings clients on a daily basis: Facebook and Instagram ads aimed at contractors, online stores, med spas, and real estate investors, LinkedIn messages to business owners, partners, and CEOs. We also sent email sequences packed with helpful money and tax tips. Now, pillar 3. We automated everything that slows firms down. We set up systems to handle all the stuff that wastes time, from sorting leads automatically, pre call questions to filter out bad fits, calendar booking that just works, email and text reminders, a quick what to expect video, and then weekly tips that keep prospects engaged. Now, this entire system turned maybe interested prospects into folks who actually showed up for calls without Jessica chasing anyone down. Now let's talk about results. In just 7 weeks, Jessica booked 14 real sales calls. Every single one was a business owner looking for monthly help, not just a one time tax filing. She closed 5 long term clients, 2 bookkeeping plus payroll clients, 2 controller clients, 1 cleanup project. Total new monthly income about $9,600 plus 6,000 one time upfront payment. And here's the best part: this didn't come because of tax season rush or begging for referrals. It came because of a system that works whether she's on or off. And Jessica told me, I finally feel like I'm building a real business, not just reacting to whoever calls. My team knows what's coming in. I know what's coming in. It's the first time I felt in control of my growth. That's what the Bookflow system does. It helps accountants, CPAs, or tax pros build steady monthly income without waiting for April to save the year. No more cheap tax clients who disappear, no more free calls that go nowhere, and no more up and down cash flow. If you want a consistent flow of real business owners who see your value, click the link below. We build simple systems for accountants who are done waiting for referrals and ready to grow with the plan. Thanks.